I now open my Athene. I now click on settings, then I now go for KYC. So the KYC now, they give you some steps and some videos that you watch. After you watch the video, you now wait for this video to count, for the counting here to complete. In this video, they are teaching you the process, the step-by-step guide on how to pass the KYC, how to start the KYC and pass it smoothly. So I've already know the steps, so I got to just pause it. I need to just stop it, then click continue after you watch the video. Then you now can upload a passport or a picture of yours. You now upload it. Alright, I now upload this one. So after you upload the picture like this, then you now click update. They now say Athene KYC is currently overloaded. It's currently overloaded. Let me click again. They say, look at it up here. Look at it up there. They now say Athene AI KYC is currently overloaded. Please try again in a few minutes. So you keep on trying. Before you know, you will now successfully achieve your KYC.